Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll be doing the battery drain test of the OnePlus Nord CE5. Now, we have been getting a lot of queries on doing this test. In fact, we have done the OnePlus Nord 5 battery drain test that had a 6800 mAh battery, while this has the 7100 mAh battery, the largest battery ever on a OnePlus smartphone. So, 7100 mAh battery, 80 watt charging. In case you have not watched the charging test, it's already on a live on our channel. Do check out that. Now let's go to the battery drain test. Now in this video we'll be draining out the battery and let's see how much time it takes to drain. We have set 120 Hz refresh rate on this device and balanced power mode and also auto brightness. So these are the settings, and speaker volume is around 60 to 70%. That's the volume we have set for these tests. So before going into the test, let me remind that these tests are not very accurate in any way, because there is no ideal test condition here, because the apps which I use might not be the apps you guys use. So there will be obviously difference. So there is no ideal battery drain test. So we are trying to emulate whatever apps we generally use on a daily basis, like the social media apps, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, then use of camera, and then we'll watch YouTube videos. So these are some things which we do on a regular basis, and let's see how much battery drain happens on this device. So that's what you're going to do. So once again, this is not an accurate test, just an indicative test on how the battery will perform in standard conditions. So the room temperature is what we have said. We have not put on any AC in this room while testing. This is the standard room temperature, around 30 degrees, 28 or rather 29 degrees is the room temperature. So that's the temperature we have set. So let's begin. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So let's start off the battery drain test. So we have the device with us. Let's first go to the about device and show you the hardware. OnePlus Nord CE5, and we have the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 octa-core processor, 7100 mAh massive battery. We have the 8GB RAM variant, and now you can see here it's 100% battery. We are connected to the Wi-Fi, and we have a SIM card which is 5G enabled. So in fact it's a Jio SIM card. And now let's start the battery drain test. So we'll just remove the device from the charger. Let's start the timer. So first we'll go to Instagram. So we'll use Instagram on Wi-Fi for some time. So we know that we all use Instagram for watching the reels. So we are starting off with Instagram on Wi-Fi network. So first we'll use Instagram on Wi-Fi network, then we'll go to 5G network to see how the battery drain is. So now we are streaming Instagram reels on Wi-Fi network, and let's come back after 1 hour and see how much battery is there on this device. So now we have completed 1.5 hours of Instagram on Wi-Fi network, and we have 94% of the battery remaining. So 1.5 hours, 94% battery remaining. Next, let's go to Instagram again. This time around we'll watch reels on 5G network. This will be around 1 hour's time. So Instagram on 5G network, and after 2.5 hours we have 88% of the battery remaining. So 88% in 2.5 hours. And next, let's go to YouTube app. So YouTube will stream YouTube videos on Wi-Fi network for 1 hour, and at the end of 1 hour, let's see how much battery it has. So at the end of 1 hour of YouTube streaming on Wi-Fi network, we have 83% of the battery remaining. Now let's stream YouTube once again on 5G network. So this time around 5G network, again the same YouTube app will stream the same video, and after 1 hour of YouTube streaming, we have 78% battery remaining. So now 4.5 hours has been completed, and we have 78% of the battery remaining on this device. Next, let's go to camera usage. So we all use camera. We'll be recording 4K 60 FPS videos on 5G network, because we use camera outdoor. So we have the 5G network running on camera, and after 1 hour of usage, we have 63% of the battery available. So camera usage 1 hour, 63% now remaining. Let's go to gaming. So we'll game on Wi-Fi network, obviously, because it will give you better stability. So we'll play 2 games, Asphalt Unite and then BGMI. So we'll play Asphalt Unite for around 20 minutes and see how much battery drain happens. Then the next 40 minutes we'll play BGMI, and at the end of 1 hour of gaming, we have 54% of the battery remaining. So around 9% drop in battery after 1 hour of gaming on Wi-Fi. Next, let's go to Facebook. We'll stream some videos on Facebook. So we'll watch some movies on Facebook, and this time around we'll be using Wi-Fi network. And at the end of 1 hour of Facebook, we have 49% of the battery remaining. So now 7.5 hours completed, and now we have 49% battery remaining. So almost half the battery still remains even after 7.5 hours of usage. So now we'll stop the test. We'll continue the test tomorrow, so we can analyze how much of the idle battery drain happens. So we'll come back after some 7-8 hours and then see how much of battery drain happens. So now we are starting off the test again. So in the last 7-8 hours, we have just 1% idle battery drain. Now the battery is 48%, which is really impressive. So let's continue the test. We'll go to Twitter. We connected our Twitter on Wi-Fi network. We'll stream some videos on Twitter. 1.5 hours of streaming on Twitter, and we have 40% of the battery remaining. So 8% drop after 1.5 hours of Twitter usage. Let's continue with Instagram. This time around we'll use Instagram on 5G network, and let's continue the watching reels. And at the end of 1.5 hours, we have 33% of the battery remaining. So now almost 10.5 hours completed, and we have 33% of the battery remaining. Let's continue with YouTube app. We are continuing YouTube on Wi-Fi network, and we'll continue for another 1 hour. And at the end of 1 hour of YouTube streaming, we have 30% battery remaining. Let's continue with camera usage once again. This time around, camera usage will use with Wi-Fi network, and at the end of 1 hour of camera usage, we have 13% battery remaining. So that battery drop was slightly on the higher side, 17% drop in 1 hour. Next, let's go to Facebook once again. We'll watch some videos on 5G network this time on Facebook, and let's see how much battery drain happens. So again, now 1.5 hours of Facebook usage, we have 7% battery still remaining. So that's pretty good. The battery drop wasn't that high. Now we have completed 14 hours of usage, and still we have 7% battery remaining. Next, we'll continue with Instagram on Wi-Fi network. So 7% still remain, and at the end of 15 hours and 29 minutes, we have almost 15 hours 30 minutes, we have the battery empty. So 15 hours and 30 minutes is what it took to drain the massive 7100 mAh battery on the OnePlus Nord CE5. So this is really impressive software optimization from OnePlus with the OxygenOS. So 15 hours is the maximum we have got on any smartphone till now for all the testing we have done. This is not a really powerful chip. I mean, in fact, this is not as powerful as the Snapdragon 8 series. So this is kind of mid-range chip. There's a Dimensity 8350, and the optimization with OxygenOS seems really impressive. So that's the battery drain test. 15 hours and 30 minutes is what it took to drain the battery on the Nord CE5. So that was the massive battery drain test of the OnePlus Nord CE5. This is the longest battery drain test we have ever done. Almost 15.5 hours battery drain test. And in real world, you will probably get around, as I said before, you will probably get around close to 13 hours. That's what we feel, or in fact, you might get even beyond 13 hours. So that's the optimization on the OnePlus Nord CE5. It's a really good optimized device, especially OnePlus OxygenOS is really optimized. You could see that in the OnePlus Nord 5 battery test as well. 6800 mAh battery lasting like around close to 13 hours. So that's very good. So similar experience we have got with the Nord CE5 as well. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.